Show you a much brighter picture in Plymouth, where we do have the sun shining at the moment. It's pretty murky and pretty chilly in Glasgow, but elsewhere across the United Kingdom things have been brightening up quite nicely across northern England through... Oh, lost the camera there. I was hoping to show you a fairly murky scene. I'll show you a much brighter picture in Plymouth, where we do have the sun shining at the moment. It's pretty murky and pretty chilly in Glasgow, but elsewhere across the United Kingdom things have been brightening up quite nicely across northern England through Wales and southwest England too. Quite a bit of thick clouds still through the Midlands, Lincolnshire and down into the southeast, and one or two showers also feeding in across parts of East Anglia. They'll continue. It will stay pretty grey in the southeast. Through the Midlands getting a little bit brighter for most a fine afternoon, but still some mist and some fog patches plaguing southern Scotland and Northern Ireland too, and the cloud thickening all the while across the far north too, with some spots of rain here. But temperatures in Lerwick actually up to 7 Celsius. Elsewhere 4 or 5 at the best, and temperatures in Glasgow hovering at around about 1 or 2 degrees. Now tonight those temperatures really plummet away again. Quite a widespread frost, -2 or -3, holding up probably in the southeast, along the south coast and in the far north, but elsewhere it will be clear and it will be cold, and more chilly nights to come as well for the next couple of nights. Further frosts, but then as we go towards the weekend those blues disappear, we lose the frosts, and at the moment it looks like Christmas week will start on a rather mild note. That's all tied in with the wind direction, a cold easterly wind blowing tomorrow in the south. That will become more extensive through Thursday, and then the winds swing round and come in more from the southwest or the west during the weekend, and the changing colours, those oranges, indicating they'll bring with them that milder air. But certainly far from mild through tomorrow in the south. Biting easterly wind blowing along the channel and also affecting the southwest. Here a significant wind chill. I think those winds really picking up through the day. The temperatures on the face of it may well get up to around about 5 or 6 degrees, but when you add on the strength of the wind it will feel sub-zero. Not just in the southwest but also in Southampton as well. Temperatures really struggling. 6 or 7, but it will feel sub-zero, getting down or feeling close to freezing too in London. But elsewhere, where the winds are lighter, that wind chill effect nowhere near as strong. We'll see the mist and the fog returning through the night tonight. In fact, freezing fog patches through parts of northern England, Northern Ireland and southern Scotland will be slow to clear in places through tomorrow. But essentially tomorrow a dry day, and for most of us a bright day too, with some good sunny spells. But that wind will be picking up, as I said, in the south. Now we've still got high pressure not far away on Thursday, but these weather fronts try to push in. They'll bring some thicker cloud and maybe some spots of rain for the Channel Islands and down to the southwest during Thursday. But essentially it's a similar story. Again, some mist and some fog patches slow to clear, but most places will be dry and will be bright. A bit of a change on Friday. We'll see those weather fronts pushing up, bringing more cloud, pretty misty and murky across large parts of England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Still pretty dry and bright in the far north. Those weather fronts clear away, but then more arrive, bringing some rain, but that's milder air as we go through into the weekend. Anna.